how to replace the light bulb in the center third brake light on a 1995 Toyota Corolla. Start by removing the pins that hold it in either side. Using something like a Phillips-head screwdriver, poke in a little clip on each side. Now, there's enough room to reach in there, grab it, pull it out. The whole thing now, with perhaps a little bit of jockeying, should come right off. Now that the housing is off, well, you might want to clean it. It gets a lot of sun, and it could be good to treat the plastic so it sticks around longer. Meanwhile, to get the bulb out, rotate the plastic portion here. In this case, the color is black. Rotate it clockwise, and then pull it down toward felt. You're going to have to slide it back into the side so that it fits out. And there you have it. The bulb is out. New bulb slides right in. Bring it back up from the side. Rotate until you find the place where it fits. Now one way, then the other way. As it goes in, rotate it so it stays in place. In this case, rotate it counterclockwise. Snaps in. Replace the cover. Pop the pin all the way through so it sticks out. Poke it in. Flatten it out. Do the same thing for the other side. Make sure it's sticking all the way through. And flush it up. Done.